The year that ended in 2018 to 2020 wasn't the most successful year for the top market for real estate. However, even as a worldwide pandemic stretches into its second year, the market is gradually regaining its momentum. Manhattan and other major cities experienced a surge in 2021 when people returned to office jobs, leading to one of the city's most prosperous years for luxury sales for more than 10 years. Certain pandemic trends remained, however, such as the multitude of private islands that came back to the market, hoping to take advantage of buyers' desire to own and escape to paradise within their pockets for the eventuality of global catastrophes. One of the most significant trends to watch out for in the coming year is the return of international purchases. Do you guys want to know the house of a billionaire? If yes, then you're at the right place. But first, hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. With travel becoming more normal, it is possible to sell more multi-million-dollar homes in the major cities. In 2022, there are many amazing houses available. In this video, we are going to tell you about the luxury houses of billionaires. But before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates, as we are going to make more videos on interesting topics in the future. So if you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe to it. Now, let's get started. Number 14. 1819 Kensington Palace Gardens, London. The mansion that was once owned by famous Formula One boss Bernie Ecclestone is now managed by Indian steel businessman Lakshmi Mittal. The mansion is 3 stories high and has 18 bedrooms, Turkish baths, an indoor pool, and a garage that can hold 20 cars. Number 13. Michael Jordan's Illinois estate. The basketball superstar's Highland Park, Illinois residence has been listed since 2012 and was recently able to see its price fall to $14.9 million, which is less than half of its initial $29 million asking price. In The Last Dance, the 2020 docuseries produced for ESPN, as well as Netflix on Michael Jordan and his work as a player with Chicago Bulls, may drum new interest in the property that has more than 10,000 acres of space for living and a basketball court that is regulation-sized, as well as a 14-car garage with 7 acres of land. Number 12. Fairfield Sagaponack. The industrial billionaire's New York State mansion was constructed for a specific purpose and is valued at an astonishing $250 million. It has 29 bedrooms and 39 bathrooms, 3 swimming pools, and an energy plant. This massive Hamptons estate is among the most expensive residences located in the United States. Number 11. Ellison Estate, California. A billionaire, the founder of Oracle, and a fervent property collector, Larry Ellison's 23-acre Japanese-style Californian property is the crown jewel in his crown of real estate. It has 10 buildings, a tea house, man-made lake, a bathhouse, and a koi pond. Estate is believed to cost hundreds of millions of dollars to construct. Number 10. Villa Leopolda, Côte d'Azur, France. Villa Leopolda is another one of the most expensive residences in the world, and also the most extravagant in Europe. It was constructed during the year of 1906 by Leopold II of Belgium. Leopold II of Belgium is now the home of Russian billionaire Mikhail Prokhorov, owner of the Brooklyn Nets. Number 9. Les Palais Bulles, Thiaux-sur-Mer, France. The architect was Antti Levague, to French industrialist Pierre Bernard. Later, the Italian-born naturalized French-style designer Pierre Cardin bought this house to use as a vacation home. In December, following the passing of Pierre Cardin, the house was turned into a venue for public viewing for the stunning bubble house constructed in the years 1975 through 89, was constructed in collaboration with the Hungarian art exhibitions. Number 8. Palazzo d'Amore, Beverly Hills, California. Jeff Green, a real estate investor and well-known American politician, owns the home. The property covers 53,000 acres. This is a beautiful home. The property has 13 rooms, 23 ballrooms, tennis courts, pool, theater with a waterfall, reflecting pool, and a garage that can hold 27 vehicles. Number 7. Xanadu 2.0, Medina, Washington. It is home to Gates family members. Gates family is among the wealthiest families worldwide. The house is the home of Microsoft, the company's founder, Bill Gates, and his wife, Melinda Gates. It's an attractive home that covers 66,000 square feet. It took 7 years to construct, and its pool is 60 feet long. Number 6. Fleur-de-lis Mansion, Los Angeles. It is situated in Los Angeles, California, in the USA. The house was constructed between 1996 and 2002 and was created by architect Richard Robertson III and owned by an American businessman and founder of Metro Networks and his wife, Suzanne Saperstein. The house was later purchased by an unidentified Norwegian billionaire for $102 million. The home has 12 bedrooms with 15 bathrooms, 2 kitchens, and a huge cinema with a pool, tennis courts, and a garage that can hold 9 cars. Number 5. The penthouse at the Getty Residence in New York City. The site was once home to the former Getty Oil gas station. This part of New York's Chelsea district is the home of luxurious condominiums. Built by the architect Peter Marino, the penthouse, comprising of approximately 10,000 square feet of space across the 3 floors that comprise the top that comprises the structure, was bought from billionaire financier Robert F. Smith in 2018. Number 4. The Bel Air home of Jay-Z and Beyoncé. The home has 30,000 square feet of living area, as well as an additional 10,000 square feet of living area outdoors, complete with 4 swimming pools outside and an entire basketball court. The Bel Air residence of Beyoncé and Jay-Z is as full of amenities as it gets. When the couple bought the property at $88 million in 2017, the property set a new record for the highest priced house sold for a home in Bel Air. Number 3. Antilia, Mumbai. Mukesh Ambani is the richest person in India over the last 8 years and has ventured into different industries and businesses. He is also a recipient of the most expensive residence in the world. The skyscraper he built, Antilia, was named for this mythical place. It's 27 stories high and has 6 underground parking levels, as well as 4 helipads. It also requires 600 workers, naturally. Number 2. Spelling Manor in Holmby Hills. The home was once the residence of late TV producer Aaron Spelling. This 56,000 square foot property has 27 bathrooms and 14 bedrooms and was the biggest residence within Los Angeles County. The over-the-top design begins in the front of the door with a 40-foot-high foyer that was designed in imitation of the O'Hara plantation Terra and the Wind in Gone with the Wind. The estate has an exercise room, as well as a wine cellar, tasting room, as well as a beauty salon that has 3 stations, tanning and massage rooms among the amenities. Number 1. Kensington Palace Gardens, London. The area is known as Billionaires Row. Steel business magnate Lakshmi Mittal owns 3 houses in the exclusive street, and it is one of the most expensive houses. The neighborhood is subject to the highest level of security, and the information about the properties are protected by lock and key. His neighbors include the Israeli embassy, as well as Roman Abramovich. Did you know all this info before? If yes, then let us know in the comment box, and also tell us which one you think is the best one. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And tell us in the comment box which topic you want us to make the video. And don't forget to hit the like button.